Welcome to my channel. In this video, my powerful story. Improve your English checkmark. A boy and a girl. A love story once upon a time. There was a boy and a girl who lived in the same town but had never truly noticed each other. Their lives were different, their paths separate, yet destiny had a special plan for them. One afternoon, they met by chance in a quiet library. The boy was searching for a book, and the girl happened to be holding the exact one he wanted. Their eyes met, and both smiled shyly. That small moment became the beginning of something beautiful. Day by day, they started talking more. Sometimes about books, sometimes about dreams, and sometimes about nothing at all. The boy admired her kindness and the sparkle in her eyes, while the girl loved the honesty and warmth in his heart. Slowly, friendship turned into affection, and affection blossomed into love. Their love was not filled with grand gestures but with simple acts that meant everything. Walking together after school, sharing secrets under the stars, and holding hands during difficult times. They promised to support each other, no matter what life brought. But love is never without challenges. The boy had to move away for his studies, and the distance felt heavy on their hearts. Still, they wrote letters, made late-night phone calls, and reminded each other every day that their love was strong. The distance only made their bond deeper, teaching them the true meaning of patience and trust. After years of waiting and dreaming, they were finally reunited. The moment they saw each other again, it felt as though time had never passed. Their hearts knew they were meant to be together.